Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Pisces. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the message from your person at last, what your person feels about you. So that will be at last, guys. Let's see what's coming up for Pisces. The Hermit, Seven of Cups, Ace of Swords, Ten of Cups, King of Pentacles. Pisces, with these cards, I feel you're seriously thinking what to do today. Maybe you are thinking about your past experience, about your past relationship. You have overcome your past, but you are still not ready to face what is there in the present. Something new may be coming towards you, maybe some new relationship, someone uh, may feel you are interesting and they want to come towards you, but you have that state of what to say contemplation. You're just thinking about the past and you're not clear enough to accept this new relationship. So that may be the energy here, Pisces. Maybe for some of you all, you have overcome your past. You are thinking about your current situation, whether to go in with a stronger commitment and marriage and proposal. You're thinking of that, guys, for some of you all. So few of you all, you are in doubt whether to accept this relationship or not, and few of you all are in doubt whether to go into a long term commitment in this relationship, whether to take this relationship forward, guys. Pisces, this new person may have all the qualities you like, guys. They may be in a very good position in life. They may be very attractive, powerful. So you like them a lot, but you have some kind of doubt in your mind whether to go in with this relationship or not, or take your own time. So that is the way you feel now, or maybe you feel you have to wait. If you are already in the relationship with this person, you feel you have to take your time, wait, analyze, think over your situation and choice, then decide, guys. So that may also be the energy here, guys. Anyway, you're thinking, Pisces, you're thinking hard about this relationship. So let us see what is coming, why you're thinking. We'll pick more cards, guys, to get better clarity of your situation. Lower, Pisces, with these cards, I feel you are going to be very lucky, guys. I also see here maybe you're thinking because there may be what to say, your person wants to start a family with you, have a child. Maybe that may be the reason you're just taking a step back, just what to say, thinking twice before moving strongly into this relationship, or some kind of new opportunities coming your way, Pisces. Something important, some important news. You need to, what to say, be aware of it, ready for it, to analyze it and use it quickly, because it is not going to last long, guys. That may also be the energy here. And few of you all are, what to say, uh, you have overcome lots of difficulties in your life, guys, to be in this position, and you're feeling very responsible. And something uh, has ended, guys. Something bad has ended for you, and you are feeling happy to be in the state today. And you have that understanding, and you're thinking about your past lessons, what you have learned, and what you need to do today. And maybe for some of you all, friends are coming over with gifts, or they are just coming over to meet you, talk to you, so something of that sort. But you are coming to a clarity, guys, of your situation, of your past and your present, what things are happening. Maybe some for some of you all, you may be having a baby, or your person or someone in your close circle is surely having a baby, guys. So that may be the energy here. So something new coming into being, and some way lucky, but you are contemplating on your actions. You are just thinking hard about the decisions you have to make regarding the situation, guys. Maybe you are hesitating because this person wants a serious commitment, maybe. So that may be the reason, Pisces, you are seriously thinking about this relationship. So let us see what your person feels about you, guys. This is a message from your person. I'll be picking few cards from this deck. You make me feel alive. You make me a better person. You are my strength. Pisces, with these cards, I feel your person feels they can rely on you, and you inspire them to do well, emotionally, professionally, in their work, and what to say, in your relationship. So they feel you're their inspiration, and they look up to you, guys. So that is the way they feel about you, or this may be the way you feel about your person, Pisces. So that is the reading, guys. You are thinking about something based on your past experiences. You are just contemplating about your present, guys, and you are just waiting to take the next step, Pisces. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Pisces. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.